So this is what we see. We actually do this monitoring from the base of the lights. And some nights, this is what we see. Just clear beams, no birds flying through. Now some nights, we see this.
Oh my.
Each of those specks is a bird. We go to the base of the lights and we, every 20 minutes, take a count of how many birds are caught in the lights. And if there are close to 1,000 birds in the lights, or if a bird has fallen from exhaustion, we ask the producers of the lights to turn it off. Why are we doing this? Why do we have birds flying into these lights? Well, essentially, birds are attracted to light. Songbirds use visual cues to migrate at night. Strong beams of light can actually pull them in and disorient them. And last year we actually did have a bird, black-throated blue warbler, fell right on the roof, dead. Okay, everyone, time to count. Change to this light and do it with Felicity, the two of you, and then we over here can do this one. Okay, 1, 2.
Cheerleaders.
43.
Yeah.
37.
I would say 50 then. Yeah, 50 would be a good.
I think 50.
Yeah, a good estimate.
It's like a hugely
Underestimated.
grossly underestimating the number of birds in the column, but we use it. We collect the data the same way every year, so
Yeah.
we can compare from one year to the next. And, it's an indicator for us.
Oh, much lower bird. Just a couple of minutes ago, you know, it was hard to hear, and now you're starting to hear a lot more vocalization because birds are descending, but it's one of the characteristics that we associate with sort of an issue developing here, basically.
I can start to hear them now.
The numbers of birds relative to insects has changed pretty dramatically.
Let us do our count, and then I'm going to tell her to turn off.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, it's 12:40. Time to do a count. Oh wow, there's a lot of birds up there right now.
Oh, wow.
God, oh, wow. Oh, it's going
Not here. Again, what's your estimate of how many birds are in the sky right now?
In the sky, billions.
Above us right
Above
now?
us, there's hundreds of birds in the lights again that we can see, so there's probably thousands of birds in the beams again. High thousands?
High thousands, meaning tens of, hundreds
Yeah,
of?
tens of.
That you can't see.
Tens of. Up the beam that we can't see, yeah.
Way up.
If I had my druthers, I don't know, I like this memorial so much, but I wish it were in a different time of year.
There should be no death in honoring the dead. So,
Flying into the building. Not good. Lights are going off.